So go ahead and fold that left side of the paper over, and then I'm going to read the word, and then you're going to. I'm going to read the word, and then you're going to circle the letter. Perfect. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Number 6. Mud. Mud. I stepped in mud. 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 Oh. Actually, you know what? Before we do that, let's start with this.
A apple up.
Good.
E ed e.
Good.
I
Itch.
it.
Good. One more time.
I itch it.
Good. I itch it.
O octopus
Good.
O R horn or.
Good. Abel.
Horn.
O-R.
O-R horn.
Or.
Or.
Good.
A-R car R.
Good.
T-H thumb.
Good.
W-H whistle.
Good.
C-H chin.
Good.
C-K sock.
So it's C-K sock k. Santiago, can you say that again?
C-K sock.
Nice. What about this one?
C-H.
S-H, yeah.
S-H. Ship.
Shh. Like shh. Santiago, can you say it again?
C-S-H. Ship.
Good. Abel.
S-H. Ship.
Nice.
I-N-G. Ring.
Good. Abel, one more time.
I-N-G. Ring.
Ing. Good. One more time.
I-N-G. Ring. Ing.
Nice. Perfect.
A-L-L. Basketball.
So you just say A-L-L ball all.
All.
Yeah.
A-L-L. Ball. All.
Good. Very nice.
Wait, can I just know? So one time I remember Mrs. Rose gave me 35 tokens.
We'll talk about the tokens at the end of class.
Yes.
Whenever you go off topic, you lose tokens.
Okay.
So just keep that in mind. Have you guys learned this one yet?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
You up you.
Good. You up Good. And what about this one?
You.
Nice.
You.
So do you know what this is?
I forgot.
It's a mule. So a mule, it's like a donkey, but it's
a horse.
a little bit stronger. So I think a mule is actually a mix between a horse and a donkey, actually. So you see how there's an E at the end?
Yeah.
When you have an E at the end of a word, the vowel is going to say its name. So how would you say this? You?
You.
Good. And what if it was an A and then an E at the end of the word?
A.
Good. Abel?
A.
Good. What about O?
O. O.
Good. So, keeping that in mind, let's go back to number 6. Mud. Yes. So, is the vowel saying its name? So you, Abel, look. So it can either be or you. Mud. So is the you saying its name?
Yes.
It is? Mud. Is it saying its name?
No.
Very good. If you added an E, then it'd be mewed, which is not a real word, but yeah, so mud does not have an E. That's gonna take some practice, but that's why we're here. Number 7, June. June. The month of June is in summer. June. So pay attention to the vowel, whether it's saying its name or not. June. Un. Good. Abel, can you tell us how you spell June?
June.
Very good. Did you get that, Santiago? Say
Yes.
more? Excellent. Number 8, sun. Sun. Good. And is the U saying its name?
No.
Good. So no E. Good. And number 9, mule. 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 Santiago, can you... Oh, you haven't finished it. That's okay. Mule. Nice.
So
Santiago, can you tell us how... one second. Can you tell us how you spelled mule?
M-U-L-E.
Good. And why did you add the E at the end?
Because it says it name.
Perfect. And last one, rude. That was so rude. Rude. Pay attention to that U. Is it rude or rud? Good. Good. Abel, can you tell us how you spelled rude?
R-U-D-E.
Perfect. And why did you add the E at the end?
Because it says
Good. What does which letter?
the U.
Perfect. Nice. Good job.
Is it rude or rude?
Rude.
Rude.
Yeah. Like,
That's
oh,
a very-
your behavior is so rude. You should say I'm sorry. Okay, number 11. Oh, so you're just gonna write and.
Yeah, I wrote it.
Perfect. So go ahead and write and, Santiago. And then when you're done, flip over your page. So I'm gonna read the words again, and then afterwards we're gonna check our answers. So number 6 is mud. Mud. I fell in the mud. Good. Number 7, June. The month of June. June. 8, sun. I see the sun outside. Sun. 9, mule. The mule is strong, strong animal. Mule. 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 And number 10, rude. So rude. Rude. And number 11, and. Good. Now check your answers.
I did. I got
11 out of 11. Nice. Looks good. I think you got 11 out of 11 too. Perfect. Good job, guys. All right. So now you're gonna.
No?
What? What's it again?
You said 11 too.
No, you got 11 out of 11 as well. So that's good. Good job. So now you can put those away. And you're going to get your expressive writing folders out. Okay, let me see where you are. Lesson 19. Okay. So, Abel, can you read the instructions for part A? Yes. So you're gonna open to page 62.
Page 62, lesson 19.
Yes. Let me help you. Oh, this might be the old one.
I don't know, like, I think he has a different one, but I
Oh,
don't
really?
know.
It says makeup here. Let me,
I don't know what makes it.
Wait, can I see his page 62?
he doesn't have one. He only goes up to 52. Huh.
Should I ask Miss Roche?
I guess.
Should I ask Miss Roche?
Possibly. Let me see. I don't want to interrupt her though.
Wait, he's probably working on.
Have you worked on this before?
Wait, what?
Okay.
You haven't wrote.
You've never done this?
I have.
He has, but he doesn't have my pages though.
Yeah, okay. You know what? I think I might know what it is.
Yeah, that's what happened to mine.
Noise?
Nope.
Yeah.
Okay, let me
Should
see if I can. Oh wait, something dropped here. Oh, sure you. Here it is.
So, okay, so can I do?
It dropped on the floor. So we are right there. So Abel, can you read the instructions on part A for us?
Yes, part A, instructions. Put in the capitals and periods. Underline the part of each sentence that names.
Good. So yeah, have you guys learned that when you start a sentence, the first letter should be capital F?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Do I take out this?
So you can just write on this paper if you want, or you can write in your journal, whichever you're more comfortable with.
Where's my journal?
Although for this one, I think it'd be easier because you're just supposed to add the capital and the periods and then underline.
Oh, is this a capital?
Which one?
Right here.
No, that's a lowercase m. Good. And Santiago, oh sorry, I don't want to interrupt you, but what do you do when you see a name with the first letter?
You have to put the capital because it's
Is it lowercase or uppercase?
uppercase because it's somebody's name.
Good. Excellent.
Put the new engine into the car. She also fixed the brakes. Wait, do I put a capital N?
So is that a name?
Yes.
Good. So what do you think?
Yes.
Nice. You got it. So you know.
Sister
Good job.
painted the outside of the car. She sold the fix of car for me,
Where?
I need
Oh. So there's an E at the end of the
yes.
word? So what happens to the I? Good. So not sure.
Wait.
So the I says its name.
9.
Good.
9.
Yeah, the number 9.
100.
Mhm.
What does it say?
I thought you said it, but 100.
100.
So what's that whole number?
Wait, is he on a different page?
$900.
Good.
They
Yes, Abel?
used the money
Is he on
to
a different
buy
page? Because I don't have
a
this.
new.
Oh, is it different?
Is it?
No, it should be there.
Hold on, Santiago, let me see it.
No, it's the same.
No, it's the same.
Yeah.
So what does it say?
That's a hard word. So let's try it just up to here.
Markers.
Try one letter at a time. Hmm? Oh, you know what? I don't know if you've learned this sound yet.
Or.
Can you read that?
Or.
Good. So let's go back to where is it?
Okay, I'm done.
Or.
Good. Motor.
Motor.
Good.
CME. Motor.
So
part B. Cross
Maybe
out
this
some of the
is
names.
yeah, actually, this works pretty hard.
Wait, which one is it?
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
I think that's a little advanced for you guys.
No, I can get it.
Tom wanted to put a
So before you go there, the other thing you have to do is you have to it says underline the part of each sentence that names. So yeah,
Wait, so I just
exactly.
cross out every name?
No, so you're gonna underline
Everybody's name?
in this one. Oh, actually, in this one too. But yeah.
This is their name.
Yes. So it's not always a name. Sometimes it's let's see.
She, he.
Oh, don't forget your periods too. So, and how do you start a sentence with the first letter?
No.
Good, but is it lowercase or capital? Good. So,
Wait, do I
can you
underline
read the
mom?
sentence for me?
Do I
The
underline
woman
mom?
fixed up an old car. They made the car look brand new.
Good. So, the period needs to go in here. Where do you think the period goes?
Right there.
Good.
Wait, do I underline mom?
That's right. So, but the women fixed up an old car. See, this could be two sentences actually.
Well, it should have been V.
Yeah. No, I think it's okay the way it is. Okay.
Mary put a new engine into the car.
Mhm.
She also fixed the brakes.
So, Mary put a new engine into the car. So that's one sentence. So you're gonna start a new sentence here.
She also fixed the brakes.
Good. So when you start a new sentence, what do you do with the first letter?
How do you spell rope?
Capital.
Yeah, very good.
Wait, how do
She
you spell
also
rope?
fixed the brakes.
Good. I'll come back to you in a second. Sorry, what would you?
I'm trying to do this, but I don't know how to spell rope.
Yeah. Let's see. Rewrite each sentence so that it tells what the person or thing did. Oh, the words are right there.
See that?
Outside of the car. They sold the car, the fixed car, for $900. They used the money to buy a new motorcycle.
Good. And so this can be broken up into two sentences. Can you try to figure out where the period goes? Let's see. Let's see. Actually, can you read from the beginning?
Mary put a new and the woman fixed up an old car. They made the car look brand new.
Mm-hmm.
Mary put a new engine into the car.
Good.
She also fixed the brakes.
Good.
Mary's sister.
So, do you think something's missing over here?
Period.
Good. And can you show me where it goes?
I put it right there.
It actually go right there. So the new sentence is going to start with Mary's.
I'm done with this.
Oh, good. We'll take a look at it in a second. So go ahead and erase that period. Good. Now read the rest.
Mary's sister painted the outside of the car. They sold the
Good.
fixed.
There's going to be a period in here somewhere. Can you figure out where it goes? So, let me read that. Mary's sister painted the outside. And you put the period here. Sounds good? But then the rest is of the car. You think that's part of the next sentence or this sentence? Good. So what do you think very good? Sister painted. Oh, let's try this again. Mary's sister painted the outside of the car. They sold the fixed up car for $900. So each sentence is telling you a new idea, right? So Mary's sister painted the outside, so they're still talking about what she's doing.
Mhm.
So go ahead and erase that period.
Where did I put it?
So I'm gonna read it and then you tell me what you think. Mary's sister painted the outside of the car. They sold the fixed up car for $900. So let's see, Mary's sister painted the outside. So once you go here, then you're at a new idea. They sold the fixed up car for $900. So the period would actually go after this car right here. Good. Now let me check your work, Abel. Okay. Car, good. Good, you got the capital. Good. Cross out some of the names and write he. Okay. Yeah. So can you read the instructions for part B for me?
Cross out some of the names of. Cross out some of the names of right he or she. Oh.
Good. Does it say underline anywhere?
No.
Good.
I thought it did.
You got it now. So this might be a new concept for you guys. So when you're writing a paragraph about somebody, you're gonna usually start the paragraph with the person's name.
Wait,
So-
do I put she?
Yes,
His mom?
exactly. So let's say I'm writing a paragraph about Santiago. I'll start by writing Santiago, but then every other sentence is just he. So Santiago is good at baseball. He is also good at basketball. He is also good at.
Also, I'm kind of good at basketball.
Okay, what else?
I like eating and sleeping.
No, so he is also good at sleeping.
Yes.
So
I'm
after.
good at soccer.
Oh, very good. So so we'll do So Abel is good at soccer. He is also good at what else?
Basketball.
Good at basketball. So whenever you have a paragraph, you're going to start
Or football.
with Tom in this example, and then after that is going to be he. Oh, you got it. Santiago, you want to give it a try?
Okay.
So the first sentence is going to start with Tom, the person's name.
Tom wanted to cook a meatloaf.
Good. And then-
Tom got a
so can you read the instructions for me?
cross out some of the names and write he or she or it.
Good. So what are you going to do?
Write she, he,
What
or
does it say right,
it.
what does it say right here?
Cross out the names.
So what are you going to do?
Cross some names out.
What are you going to do?
Cross out
Good.
names and
So the first sentence should be Tom. Tom wanted.
to cook.
But then after that, you can cross out Tom and write, good. What about, let's see. What about this Tom? Can you cross that one out too? And what would you replace it with?
Tom.
Good. It is about time to go. So, actually, we have like 1 more minute left. So it's
We have recess at 2.
oh, you do. Oh, I don't want you guys to be late for that. Yeah, go ahead and put that away, and then I'll give you some tokens.
What are you talking to?
So I'm pretty greedy with my tokens. You guys were very good, but I'm gonna give you 35.
That's fine.
Yeah,
That's good enough. No, that's fine.
because if you were following instructions most of the time, but actually, you know what? No, you guys were good. I think you earned 40. There you go.
Let's go.
You're welcome.